This is Dawong here, one of your favorite market opinion leaders in bursamarketplace.com. And welcome back to the weekly videocast hosted by the Oriental Pacific Futures based in Kuala Lumpur of Malaysia. Alright, this week the videocast outlook on the CPO trading Bursa Malaysia was stretched from the date 8th of December up to the 12th of December in the year 2014. Alright, we are moving into the last month of year 2014, and very quickly we expect the market will thin down while moving into the last 2 weeks of the Christmas seasons and edging into year 2015 with a better outlook. Alright, let's start it off with the FCPO closing price on a weekly chart. Alright, on last Friday, the February month closed at 2173, which is 2,173 ringgit per ton in the CPO prices, and the pull up for the whole week basically came from the weakening of the ringgit currency. Alright, which most of the traders will be looking at dollar ringgit trend. And on Friday we have the US dollar climbing up. US non-farm payroll has grown to 321,000 gains in the month of November, and a better outlook for the US economic recovery. So this week, on a stronger dollar, we expect the general commodities to be edging down, including FCPO. Alright, so on the weekly chart that we start off here, we are looking market may have a very strong resistance in the region of 2,200 ringgit per ton in the early part of the week. And from the daily chart here, alright, we are double confirming that the 2,200 benchmark here is being registered very strongly by the EMA 20 line, and the market could be covering the gap also, which was formed also at 2202 on the date of November 27, which is stated here. Alright, November 27, alright, on the gap. And top side, we are looking at 2,200 to be a good sell, alright, with a controlled stop loss. But the downside, the market could be actually forming a down move if you happen to draw a resistance line like this, alright, touching here. Once the market comes down, the downside target could be aiming at 2,100 again, which could be achieved in 1 week's time or over 2 weeks time before Christmas. Alright, from the day chart, let's go into the hourly chart. As we can see, the resistance line that we drew earlier, alright, these will actually effectively confluent and coincide with the EMA 200 line in the hourly chart, alright, which will put on a very strong selling pressure in the region of 2,200 ringgit per ton in FCPO prices. So this week, to summarize everything quickly into a couple of sentences, top side resistance, we're looking at 2,200, while the bottom side, once the market turns down, especially on the cutting of the EMA crossings between EMA 4 and 20, we will be expecting the market to come down again, alright, in this December month, effectively back down to 2,100 ringgit per ton. So that is the outlook for this coming week, which will stretch from the 8th to the 12th of the year 2014. Alright, this is the best time over December if you are free and if you have got any interest, alright, to make inquiry or to open new account to trade for next year. Alright, you may actually call this number 603-2181-8848 and speak to Ryan, or you may call the mobile number 016-280-2227 to make inquiry with JC Lee. Alright, code Dawong here to enjoy the special commission rate below the board rate, and we hope all of you will continue to receive our weekly videocast on the FCPO prices and pay low commissions while you have more probability of making potential profits from the market. Alright, this is Dawong here, one of your favorite market opinion leaders, and thank you for staying with us. Come back on next week and listen and watch us on the videocast, and it will be our pleasure to give you on the continual update. Thank you very much. Bye bye.